This video shows you how to fit lockers, which go alongside drawers, assortment boxes, shelves, and other components. There are other videos available that show you how to fit each of these elements, but it is important to always fit the locker first. Before beginning the locker assembly, you will need to fit the brace bars to the leg panels. You will also need to fit the shelf that sits at the top of the configuration. There is a separate video for assembly of shelves. Ensure you leave the correct height between the brace bars and shelf for the locker. Insert 4 cage nuts into the left leg panel, 2 in the third hole from the top and 2 in the third hole from the bottom. Now insert 4 cage nuts into the corners of the top face of the locker. Lift and place the locker in between the brace bars and shelf. Open the locker door and insert the washers and bolts into the holes that line up with where you added the cage nuts. Screw the brace plates into the top shelf using the left hole that aligns with the cage nuts that you placed into the top of the locker. Once the locker is fitted, you can move on to fitting the adjacent component. Details on how to fit these elements are available in other assembly videos.